Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do jalapeno poppers again, but this time I opted to use turkey bacon. Here's the outcome. They came out pretty good. I'm pretty impressed, and my son actually prefers the turkey bacon over the regular bacon now, and he's a bacon lover, so that says a lot. But anyway, check it out. We'll go right into the video. Stay tuned. I posted my video for bacon pepper poppers yesterday, and today I decided to make some more, but I'm gonna do it with turkey bacon. And I did half with cream cheese, just a regular cream cheese light. And I did the other half with garlic herb spread. Garlic and herb spread cream cheese. And I'm going to do it with turkey bacon. So I'm not going to bore you with the wrapping and anything else. I'm just going to come back and show you the end result. I wound up getting scared halfway through, and I put half and half. Because my son's so picky. Even though we do eat turkey bacon, halfway through I just cut and did half and half. And I normally season my turkey bacon when I make it anyway with like lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. So I probably will season the turkey bacon before I put them in the air fryer. But for now, I'm just going to put them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, and then I'll be back. We're back after a couple hours. And like I said, I decided to do half and half. So 3 turkey bacons, 3 regular bacons. I didn't season either one. And since I'm getting ready to make tacos again, I'm going to leave the big air fryer open for the taco shells. I'm going to throw these into the smaller air fryer. I did cut off some of my bacon at the end. When they wrapped around, I cut off all of it this time instead of just wrapping the third time. When it ended at the bottom, I just cut off like the last quarter bit. Figured I'd just reserve it for when I want to make some omelets or something. I'll cut it up and put it in the omelet. So it looks like I'm going to get 3 in there. I might just do these 3 in there in the big air fryer. So I'm going to season this, and I'm going to cook this at 370 for 14 minutes. Because I like mine a little crunchy. I think I did 350 for 20 minutes. And I'm going to season both of these and be back. I put some olive oil on top, and I sprayed some garlic powder, garlic salt, and lemon pepper on it. And I'm going to cook this, start off at 350-ish. Bacon on 370 for 10 minutes. I'm going to do this about the same. I'm going to season this. I'm not going to add any oil with it because I figure it makes its own oil. My mom used to always say you can never use enough garlic powder. A little bit of garlic salt. I love lemon pepper with my sons. Not too much. So I'm just going to leave it just like that. This air fryer is a lot more circulation going on, so beat it up a little bit. I'm going to try it to 370 as well. And I'll be back. Let's check the status of both halfway through. First 10 minutes are up on the bacon ones. Look pretty good. They're pretty soft still. I like mine. It's pretty much crunchy. And my son does too. I'll actually put them back in. Maybe on 400 for 2 minutes, just to get them a little crispy.
Meanwhile,
10-minute mark, 5-minute mark on the bacon poppers. Nothing too extraordinary. See, I got some cream cheese leaking out.
a few moments later.
And turkey bacon ones are finishing up now. The bacon definitely crisped up some. Pushing the cream cheese out as well. I don't think I had too much of that issue at all when I did it on 350, but that looks pretty good. I think if I let it sit, they'll harden up a little bit. Looks like the 370 on the bacon ones are maybe too hot. Just pushing all the cream cheese out. And the bacon's still, maybe I'll see why I did 350 for 20 minutes, a slow cook. This is just pushing all the stuff out. I'm kind of on the fence what I want to do here. Kind of put on 400 too. So initially 370, 10 minutes both. And I put them both back on for 400 for 3 minutes.
3 hours later.
This came out pretty good. The turkey bacon ones are, of course, the ones in the back. Those 3 there. And those are just the regular bacon ones. I'm gonna cool off and then I'm gonna have some at dinner. The turkey ones came out pretty good. They feel pretty good, nice and solid.
I always
do That's real good. My son loved the turkey bacon ones. First one he tried, and they got really crisp once they sat for a while. So this is the regular bacon one. Pretty good. The turkey bacon, they both got crisp after they cooked. So 370 for 10 minutes, and then 400 for 4 minutes, just if you like the extra crisp like I do. Came out pretty good, pretty straightforward. Real satisfied with the result. And I almost want to say that they're the new favorite around my house.